Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use tax reporting tools for crypto gains and losses. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So crypto tax reporting tools are designed to simplify and automate the process of calculating and reporting cryptocurrency gains and losses for tax purposes. So there are different tools and apps that will help you tax report your cryptos. So these tools use their technology and advancement to give you functionality and key features like that data aggregation. They connect to various exchanges, wallets, and blockchains to gather all your transaction data and transaction categorization as well. They simplify or classify different types of crypto activities, and they also have calculations according to the cost basis. Main tools support various accounting methods like LIFO, FIFO, and specific IT. They also help you calculate gains and losses, and tax report is generated. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.